over there. So we're gonna go right underneath. You can actually see the sign on the left there. It's just pedestrian underpass to the lakefront. So let's just go right underneath there. Now, what I like about this underpass, and also the Ohio Street underpass, and all the underpasses for that matter, the acoustics are amazing. Listen to how I sound. I sound like I'm in stereo. And look at all the art. And this is the underpass. This is the Chicago Avenue underpass. And then what we're gonna do, we'll walk a little bit on the lakefront and try to spot an airplane and see what happens. So this is the air show. Actually, I hear an airplane, but I don't see it. And then this is, again, this is Streeterville, and this is Lakeshore Drive. And then look how many people are here. That's the lake. So we'll kind of walk a little bit, and then if the airplane goes by, I'll phone the camera up. But look how beautiful Streeterville is. And this is DuSable Lakeshore Drive. So we're just gonna go walk a little bit. So this is day one of the air show. Actually, let's go down and walk north on the Lakeshore Lakefront Trail. Again, even if we don't see any airplanes, that's okay. The show is going to repeat it tomorrow as well, so I may come tomorrow and film again. But at least to get to see the lakefront, people on bicycles, people walking with their dogs. That's a rescue dog right over there. All right. No airplanes at the moment. It's probably due to the weather. It's either delayed or they're waiting for the right conditions to come again. But it may be over already, but who knows. I think it goes until 3 o'clock, scheduled to go until 3 o'clock, and it's 2:30 now. So we may still see some airplanes going by. But in the meantime, we're gonna do this 30-minute walk and show you what's going on. Beautiful, beautiful skyline right over there on the left. And then you see people on bicycles in the middle of the screen. Oh, here they are. There's airplanes. Good, we got them. So let's wait over here. Maybe they'll come on this side now. That's the John Hopkins Center now. Good, so we got them a little bit on the. Good, that proves that it's still going on the show. So we just saw 4 or 5 planes go by. I'm pretty sure you saw it in the video. That's good news. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe underneath this video. Or if you're watching this video from another social media platform, just go to youtube.com/ChrisPresents and subscribe there. All right, let's walk a little bit more. Make sure there's no bicycles behind me. Usually there is more people than you see now on the picture for 2 reasons. There are not too many people now. Number one, the show is almost over, another 30 minutes. And number two, it was raining on and off. That's why a lot of people probably left. And tomorrow, Sunday, is the second day. They're also expecting rain and thunderstorms, so who knows, tomorrow's show it may be postponed and delayed again, or it may be totally canceled for safety reasons, because they want this jets to be safe in the air and on the ground. Oh, here they are. Look some more. Look how beautiful this picture is. Beautiful. So I'm not sure if that's the same airplanes we saw earlier, but that was a pretty picture. I'm sure you saw it in the video and you heard it. So we're not really empty-handed. We show you two sets of planes already, and I can't tell from a distance if that's the Navy or the Air Force or the Air National Guard. It's got to be one of those. I don't want to guess because I don't see the symbols that were way too high up in the sky. All right, just keep walking now this way. And we're in Streeterville in downtown Chicago. I'm going to show you again the buildings right over here. So the next time we see the airplanes, I'm going to take a picture of this. I keep forgetting that my camera allows me to take pictures and video at the same time. Look at this police vehicle. Wow. I don't know, what do you call that? A tricycle? No, it has 4 wheels. Wow. I was a police officer on that thing. Very exciting, and actually I like it that it's not super crowded, because previous years you can barely walk over here on the lakefront, and also the sun was getting like a sun glare before. The previous years, this year is cloudy, so this camera takes very good pictures in the when it's cloudy. Look at all the skateboarders. Look how beautiful this picture is. You got people on bicycles, you got people skateboarding, you got people walking, and then you got oh, here are the planes. Here they are. I'll take the picture. Beautiful, beautiful. Do a 360 and turn around. I'm going to show you that's Navy Pier over there. That's the Ferris wheel from Navy Pier. And then the high rise you see on the left there is the only high rise east of Lakeshore Drive. You can see all the high rises are on west of Lakeshore Drive. That one is east. All right, let's do like a 360. It's a beautiful picture, even though I like it when it's cloudy. Look how the clouds are moving really fast. All right, we'll just keep walking, and again, we may run into them again, so we saw them already a few times. I think the last bunch of airplanes that were a little bit closer, so you got a better, I'm sure the video camera captures real good because I can barely see the camera here, and you can see everybody's taking pictures. Here they come again. Now I see them coming, which is a good thing. Here they are, and you're gonna hear them any second now. Just took a picture. Here they are. flying over Chicago. Now you get to see more and more people at the lakefront now. Look at that. Look how beautiful this picture is. Look how many people are at the lakefront. And you can see all the way up to North Avenue Beach. Look how beautiful this picture is. And then we're probably going to see more. So the show is going on for another 20 minutes. Technically, so we're good. Now it's getting more crowded, but this is the crowd that I like. It's crowded, but it's not super crowded. And then this is the Oak Street Beach you see right over here. So we're just gonna stay on this Lakefront trail here, and I hope I'm on the right lane. I guess I'm not. I'm gonna go on the other side. Look at it. I'm gonna take a picture. And then you can hear the silence. Look how silent the beach is, and there's literally hundreds of people here, and you don't hear anything because they're all waiting to see what's going to happen next. Here they are over there, going that way now. That's the John Hancock Center. All right. So we saw quite a few, so that's a good thing. And look how many people are here at the Oak Street Beach. Let's get a little bit closer and show you the water, show you the people that are waiting. And this is one of the best views right over here. So again, this video is going to be no more than 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes tops, because I got something to do later on. And then this is also live on the radio. Then you got people actually in the water here. It's a good day to be at the water. So this is Oak Street Beach, and then there is a bar, a club over there, or whatever you want to call it. And then you can hear the radio live describing the scene, what's going on. The good thing there's no music, so we don't have to worry about copyright. Look how many people are on the water. I'm going to take a picture. All right, and then we're going to go straight. They have completed their demonstration, so Captain Kesselman is taking all his aircraft back to Gary. So that is the platform. So now that's them essentially saying to all the fans, we hear you, we love you, we know you want to see us, we're limited, we can't do everything we normally do. I don't know if you can hear the radio describing what's happening here. We don't want you to go home empty-handed, we know how much you love us and we love you, and this is all about family. So it is 2:38. It's a good thing actually that the radio has a live feed of the show, so people know what is going on. And that was to give them some credit, that was WBBM 780 AM describing what's going on. And basically I think what they're saying is almost over, but I'm going to keep walking I'm gonna keep walking. So let's go. Then you can hear the you can hear the traffic on the radio there. And then you can hear the weather right up to the traffic. So look how beautiful Oak Street Beach is. And then we're gonna go. So I'll let you hear the traffic, the weather.
Will stay mostly cloudy for the rest of this afternoon with a few showers and thunderstorms around right on into this evening. Still keeping an eye on some localized heavier downpours. High this afternoon 76. A lingering shower or two later tonight, low 65. For tomorrow, mostly cloudy. A shower or two for the area, high 77. Sunshine and clouds for Monday and less humid with a high of 78. I'm AccuWeather meteorologist Danielle Niddle.
It's 75 in Kankakee, 69 along the Lakefront, 73 at Midway, partly sunny, and 71 at O'Hare.
There's no better place to feel free than the
All right, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get off the lakefront now. I'm gonna, because like I said, I got something to do, some business to take care of. So we're gonna go back and give you some bonus footage of Michigan Avenue. So we're gonna go underneath, take the underpass, Oak Street underpass. So this is Oak Street Beach over here. So we're going back, and I'm gonna turn around so you can see the skyline there. There we go. Take a picture. All right, and then we go down and cross the underpass, and we're gonna go to Michigan Avenue. You can see there's a lot of people here leaving. They're not disappointed, but I guess what the radio was saying is they didn't get to perform everything due to the weather conditions, due to safety. They don't want anything to happen to the airplanes, to the crew, or even to the people on the ground. So it's safe for everybody to keep an eye on the weather conditions. And then they're going to do this all over again tomorrow. They are expecting also storms tomorrow, but tomorrow we'll come and do another walk, and we may get to see more of this. So this is the Oak Street underpass. I have to walk a little bit slowly because there's hundreds and hundreds of people.